Hello everybody, it is Nicole from Ikiwi, and today I'll be teaching you how to blend with Ohuhu markers as part of a collaboration with Ohuhu. So let's not waste any time and hop right into the video. Before you even touch the paper, the first step is to choose your markers. This is a vital part of the process because you don't want to be looking for markers while your art piece is drying. Having the markers on hand and ready to go makes the process a lot smoother and helps you achieve the blend a lot quicker. I'm choosing my colors from the 216 marker set, and I reference my swatch card often to help me find the colors that I was looking for. I also make sure to swatch them together and see if the colors will go together, because sometimes having the colors side by side can look very different than spread apart in the swatch card. Once I finalize the colors, I write down their codes so I don't get the colors mixed up when I'm coloring. Once you have your markers chosen and ready to go, you want to start with your lightest color. Since I am creating a gradient in her hair, I'm using 5 shades of pink. The first color I'm using is RV030, which is light hot pink. I want her hair to be light at the bottom and dark at the top, so I start from the bottom and color upwards. As I'm coloring in the section of hair with the first color, I am flicking the brush tip upwards into the next section. This will help when we get to the next step. After coloring in the first section with your lightest color, I take the next color and add it into the next section. I flick the brush tip down into the first section to blend the two. It may not look blended at first, but after we layer it, the colors will blend seamlessly. Usually, I go back and forth between the first and second color, flicking upwards with the light color and downwards with the darker one. Since both markers are still saturated in the paper, it will be easier for them to blend together. I repeat the same steps from step 3 when adding in new colors, making sure to use the previous markers as I go along. This makes sure the page is still saturated in marker and will not dry into hard lines. You will also want to continue using the lighter color in an upwards motion and the darker color in a downwards motion as you move along into the darker pinks or darker marker colors. After I've added all of my colors, I go over the entire section one more time, going from dark to light, and in this case, top to bottom. Since we already laid down the color in the entire section, it is easier to blend the markers together quicker and make the blend look seamless. So those are all the steps I take when blending and creating gradients with alcohol marker. I make sure to repeat this process with each section, like the different tiers of her dress. I personally like to work in sections because you can focus on blending one area instead of trying to juggle blending everything on the page at once. This also helps keep the markers you are using limited and allows you to go in between them quicker to make the blend easier. To outline this piece, I'm using the Ohuhu Fine Liner set, and I mainly use the size 0.05 for the face and eyes, and 0.1 for the rest of the drawing. And to add all the fun candy details like sprinkles, I'm using a white gel pen from the Ohuhu gel pen set. All the materials I use in this video were kindly gifted to me and will be listed and linked in the description below. They're also having a birthday sale right now, and I'll be sure to leave a link to that as well so you can check it out if you want to. I hope you found this video on how to blend with Ohuhu markers useful or helpful in any way. If you enjoyed the video and want to see more alcohol marker related videos and tutorials like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you're notified of when I post new videos. So with that, I want to thank you all so much for joining me today. Keep drawing, keep creating, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!